we press on new project. Then we have to choose the video that we want to edit, which is this one. We click add, and here we are. The first thing that we want to do is to delete the end of the video, which is a CapCut logo. Press delete, and we have it on the video, so we trim it. Perfect. And now let's hear the sound of the video. You can see, so we don't want to listen to the sound, so we come here and we click on mute clip audio. Nothing hearing on the background, but there's still echo. Perfect. Now we would like to add a title about what this video topic. We go to text and we go to text template, and here are some trending text templates. They look so professional. Some of them are pro. You can see the pro icon, and some of them that they don't have the pro icon are free. So let's say that we click on title. Let's say that we like this one. This is welcome to my channel. We click on it. We delete everything it says. And we write playing with my dog in the snow. We'll put a little snowman, and then we adjust. Let's say we want to put it up here, and playing with my dog in the snow. If you want the title to stay longer, just drag over here. Perfect. Now we need to add a sound. So we go where it says audio, and then we want to go to the brand music or to the sounds, and let's say that we use a party anthem. You can use many sounds if it's for TikTok, but be aware that if it's for YouTube or for Instagram, there might be some copyright claims, so you should add your own non-copyrighted sound. But let's say that we are creating this video for TikTok, so I'm going to choose these sounds. Perfect. We click the plus button, and let's see, you see here the video ends, so we have to trim the sound. We click on it and then split, and we have to delete this part of the sound, and then we press delete, and there you have it. Okay, now let's say that you would like to add speaking audio from yourself. So we go to audio again over here, and then press record, and you record yourself. That's a wonderful morning of me and my dog playing in the sun. I love it, and I love my dog so much. I have her for 4 years. Oh my god, look how cute she is. Come on, wee! And then you can hear what you said. As you can see, we can't hear my voice very well, so what we are going to do, we are going to click on the voiceover. We are going to go on the volume. We're going to... That's a wonderful morning, Perfect. And now, I need to lower the volume of the music I have added. So we click... That's a wonderful... We click on the music, then we go volume, and you lower it on maybe 2. So it will be a background music. So let's see now. That's a wonderful morning of me and my dog playing in the sun. I love it, and I love my dog. As you see. Perfect. And let's say that I want to make my video zoom in. What we are going to do, we are gonna find the start of the video I want to zoom in, which is this, and we are going to click on split, and the end, split again. So as you see, we have this part of the video when I want to zoom in. So to zoom in, we select the clip, and we go here on the triangle with the plus sign, and you press it. As you see, you have a red triangle, which I've inserted it at the beginning, and one more triangle at the end. So if you want to zoom in this part, we just go at the end of the clip and just drag the image to zoom it in with your two fingers. Let's say that you want to see your face. There you go, let's see it. Think of me and my dog playing in the sun. I love it. And perfect. Now let's say that you don't like the keyframes and you want to zoom in another way. So how and what you're gonna do? Let's say that we want to zoom in this part. So we split the part, and all you need to do is to zoom to the part that you want to zoom. There you go. And I love my dog so much. I have her for 4 years. Oh my god, look how cute. Now, let's say that when I throw the snow up, I want the speed to be slower, like this. So what I'll do, just split this part. Okay, and then split. I select the clip, then I go down here where it says speed, normal. You see you have 0.1x, 1x is a normal one. If you go to 2x, it's going to speed up the process, but I want it to be slow motion. So I go with 0.5x. It's come on, wee! Here I would like to add a sound, and I'm going to audio, and we click on sound FX, and then we can look for yay sound or celebrating. Let's write down celebrating sound, celebration. No. That's it. This is the one. And then we have to split it right here, split, and delete. Let's see how it goes. Jeez, come on. Whee! Perfect. And now I'll teach you something else you can do. Let's say that over here, we split the scene. When the ball touches my dog, I want to hear a sound. So over here, we go again to audio, sound effects, and pop. Let's hear. Ah, this one. Pop sound skips. So look. Did you see? And then to make it more interesting, I'll just zoom in so we can see what is happening in the scene and so we can hear it as well. Yes, I want to zoom in over here as well. There you go. Perfect. And now I want to add some captions. You know, CapCut has a lot of captions. So what you need to do is go to text and select auto caption. And here you can select from the voiceover to have some caption. As you can see, the templates, some of them are pro and some of them are not. So you can select whichever you want, but I will pick this one. And then click on generate. And the caption are generated. So now we want to move the caption a little bit up and to make them small. So you just drag over here. And if you move the first one and you make some changes to the first one, the next caption will be moved as well. Let's see. It's a wonderful morning of me and my dog playing in the sun. I love it, and I love my dog so much. I have her for 4 years. Oh my god, look how cute she is. Come on. Okay, so you might want to check for any mistakes that's going on in the auto caption. But if it's in English, it's not doing many mistakes. So you one more thing that I think you might be interested in, which is that over here I want to add a title where I say follow me if you want to see more. But I want my title to be very visible. So what I'll do is go here and press overlay and then add overlay. And then we go to library, and over here we have some backgrounds. Let's pick background, and let's say that I want a white screen. We select it, we add it to our scene, and then we make it white. And then let's say that we want to split it and delete it. And now I want to add my text. So we go back, text template, social media, and let's select one that we like. The one that says follow me. It's a pro, so I will select the free one. Let's look for the free one. Oh yeah, there you go. It looks so nice. Okay, and we want to make it equal to the overlay. So we're gonna cut it a little bit. Perfect. And follow me if you want to see more. And there you go. Perfect. Let's see it. Follow me if you want to see more. So you see, here is just overlaying the screen, and then it's me again.